If you're wondering how to identify rogue devices with Tenable, stick around because I'm going to show you how this software can help you keep your network safe by quickly spotting unauthorized devices. And the best part? You can try Tenable completely free with our exclusive bonuses, linked below. When it comes to network security, rogue devices can sneak into your system without you even realizing it. These devices can be a serious threat, compromising your sensitive data or creating vulnerabilities in your system. So, how do you track them down? That's where Tenable comes in. Next, the first step in identifying rogue devices is understanding what Tenable offers in terms of visibility. With Tenable's vulnerability management platform, you'll have real-time access to your network, giving you an instant view of all connected devices. This means no more guessing or blind spots. Every device on your network is accounted for. The next thing Tenable does is continuously scan your network for devices. You can set up automatic scans that detect new devices as soon as they connect. So, even if a rogue device tries to join your system, Tenable will alert you right away, giving you the power to take action before it becomes a bigger problem. The fourth thing Tenable helps with is detailed device profiling. It collects detailed information about each device that connects to your network, things like operating systems, IP addresses, and device types. By analyzing this data, you can quickly identify anything that doesn't belong. Another key feature Tenable offers is the integration with other security systems. If you're already using firewalls, intrusion detection systems, or SIEM tools, Tenable integrates seamlessly to provide a centralized view of all network activity. This helps you track unauthorized access and rogue devices with even greater accuracy. You'll also want to set up automated alerts for any suspicious activities. This way, if a rogue device attempts to access sensitive information or behaves suspiciously, you'll get notified immediately. Tenable's automated notifications are a huge time saver and ensure you're always in the loop, even when you're not actively monitoring your system. Finally, Tenable provides detailed reports that help you track device behaviors and identify patterns. These reports help pinpoint where the rogue device came from, what it was doing, and what actions you need to take to mitigate any damage. If you're wondering how to identify rogue devices with Tenable, this software offers a fast, efficient solution to keep your network protected. Remember, you can access Tenable for free through the link in the description below, and don't forget about our exclusive bonus trial. Take control of your network security today and spot rogue devices before they cause damage.